The presidency is a symbol of national unity.
Correct.
You all represent us, isn't it?
Absolutely.
What's your view? Is Kenya a shareholding company, or as the constitution establishes, a secular state where we are all equal before the law?
All Kenyans are equal before the law. When it comes to political appointments, right? Everywhere in the world, you know, there are certain considerations you make. There are people who support you, and they have legitimate expectation. That's why they support you. So, when you're making those appointments, you have to consider national balance. You have also to consider your support base. It happens everywhere. Let me tell you, some people take it to the extreme. You can never accuse me or this administration that I have taken my daughter or my son or my relative and made them an MP or made them a minister or made them something. I will not do that. Yeah, I will not do that. Our competitors do that. They go take their children, they take them here, they take them there, they take them. That I will not do. Because I understand where I am coming from, right? Let me also tell you the following. Sometimes, because of our, obsession, allow me to use that word, it's a bit negative, because we are too much interested in this tribe, this guy is this tribe, this guy is this tribe, this guy is this tribe. We get too absorbed in tribe identity, identity politics. It's time we transited from identity politics into politics of interest. Abdi, the 36,000 housing units that I have launched for construction, there are close to 100,000 Kenyans working. There are Kenyans from all over the place. Nobody asks them when they go to those construction sites as quantity surveyors or technicians or electricians, or nobody asks them which tribe do you come from. I was in Homa Bay to launch the same. And this program of housing is going to be in every corner of the Republic of Kenya. We're going to make sure so that we begin to walk away from 3, 10, 20 appointments. We are so obsessed. It's because of this scarcity. We are so obsessed with 10 people or 20 people. You will discover, for example, it doesn't matter. Even if I appoint 20 people from a certain community, let me not mention any community, it will not change the dynamic. People from that community, millions are still on the street. Wengi bado wako kwa dimanga pale. Wananga. How do we, Abdi, instead of arguing about 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 appointments, how do we create the ecosystem that will employ Kenyans in millions, Kenyans in every part?
Right.
How do we make sure that we have a program in Kakamega that will employ 10,000 young people? We have a program in Kwale. That is the program I'm looking for. And that is why, Abdi, I am telling you, and I want to persuade my fellow countrymen and women, please, let us invest our resources in projects and programs that will create 3, 4, 5 million jobs for the people walking in our streets, our own children, our own blood and flesh walking the streets. Don't walk away from them. Don't say, I have a job. How is it my business to bother about the fellows who don't have a job? Right. I mean, surely we have a responsibility, Abdi. You agree with me? We have a responsibility.
Okay, we have a responsibility. Yes, we do. Taking up